Hi. Have you ever heard of the quote that when was the last time you did something for the first time? I'm sure a lot of you have, and we all have thought to ourselves, "Oh, I'm not so adventurous. I don't do new things." And but is it that simple to do new things? I'll tell you why it's not. Welcome back to my channel. So, whatever I decide to talk about here every week comes from what I'm going through in my life right now. So, I have recently ventured into something brand new, which will be announced in the first week of October because we are still working on it. And last weekend was my first day at it. So, I decided to talk about the terrifying feeling of starting something new. So, when I was thinking about starting something new, or when I was thinking about starting my channel, the very first feeling that came to my mind was fear and failure. So, I went online to research about how to gather strength to do new things, also, what are all the points I should keep in mind while doing it. So, I realized that a lot of people are Googling about it. Like discussion forums like Quora is filled with scared people trying to do new things. So I realize it's a very universal feeling, and people are like this on Instagram only because on Quora they are like this. So what is the problem with me and doing new things is that I dislike two things. Number one is to get out of my comfort zone, and number two is making decisions. I really dislike taking decisions because even for the simplest of things like what to eat and what clothes to buy, like I'm not exaggerating, but if I have to buy a t-shirt, it will take me at least 2 weeks to decide to finally buy it. So I thought for a lot of years to start something new for myself, but I could never do it. But before I sat down to write this vlog, I actually sat and thought, what did I do differently this time that I was finally able to do it? And I came up with 3 things that I did differently this time. Number one, the intention. So there are 2 intentions of starting something new. First is that you want to learn it and enjoy the process. And number 2, that you want to master it. So they both affect you very differently because before today I just wanted to master things, which I sort of want to do with everything. So I have an insane thirst of mastering things. So much so that I forget to enjoy the learning process and I directly enter the competitive mode. So the fear of failure enters before the excitement of learning kicks in. This time I decided I just wanted to learn and create and enjoy the process of learning, and not because I wanted to get ahead of somebody else. Number 2 is the risk factor, the financial risk, the personal risk, and the emotional risk. So my point number 1 of intention really affected my this point because due to having high fear of failure, I had a higher risk factor for everything else. But since pandemic came and people are getting infected and they're dying and job market is pretty shit, I don't think I have anything to lose now because everything I can lose or people can lose is already happening. So I think this is the time I can just go all in and try with all my heart. Number 3 is how much do I want to bet on myself? So this one was pretty tough to tackle because being held accountable and having huge responsibilities and making decisions actually suck. So I actually kind of took it on my ego this time that I want to place all of my bets where my trust on myself lies and not on the mistrust. So these were the 3 things I did a bit differently this time to get things done. So when you see this quote, consider it bullshit and just concentrate on your learning and enjoying it. बहुत ज़्यादा ज्ञान दे दिया ना मैंने आज. Well, if you like my videos, you can subscribe to me by pressing the red button right here or here somewhere. And you can follow me on Instagram right here for, I don't know, just to see what I do all day. And I'll see you next week.